Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me. And on this video, we're going to be unboxing together the IPSY Glambag Plus box for February 2020. While I get into this, if you guys are not already subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that for me. And click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload. This is what I see when I first open up my box. The theme for this month is Feel the Love. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Love it, love it. In here, it should give me a list of my items, and it doesn't. So, I will go ahead and calculate the value of my items as we get to them. Okay, so the first product I pulled out here is from Dominique Cosmetics. Look at how cute this packaging is on this, and this is all raised. It is really cute. I really like this packaging. And then wait till you see inside. Look at these colors. They're so beautiful. This palette is really cute, and it retails for $29. I like this. The next item I am pulling out is this item right here. This says Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. So we have a sleeping mask here by Dr. Botanicals. So let's see. You guys like my glasses? I got my new glasses. I can see really, really well now. You should use this 2 to 3 times a week and apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin in the evening and allow the mask to sink into the skin and leave it on overnight. So that's this one. Whoops. Okay, these glasses are making me ditzy. Okay, sorry. Next product I see here comes in this packaging here. It is from Maquillage, and it is an ink liner. Feels very light, very like plasticky or something, but it really doesn't matter the packaging wise as long as it works really well. So this is the tip that I see. It's more like a felt tip, which is nice. I'm kind of interested to see. It marks really, really dark and really nice. It feels a little bit cool on the skin. I'm going to give it just a second to dry, and then I'm going to rub my finger across it. There is some smearing, so if you're going to use this product, make sure that you let it sit before you go ahead and do the next step on your makeup routine. I like them when they dry real, real quick, because I usually am in a rush when I do my makeup, like hurry up, this, next, next, next. So I don't like to have to sit around and wait for my eyeliner to dry. But doesn't say too much. Actually, I forgot to say the sleeping mask is $12 and the eyeliner is $21. Always nice to have another eyeliner. I'll just have to remember to keep my eyes closed for a little bit. All right, the next product I see here is a Tour Matte Belle and Argent lip color. Okay, so here's the packaging. Really actually kind of cool. Really neat. Feels pretty heavy. The color that I received is 3 Plays. Whoa. Okay, look at this packaging. This is so cool. Look at how neat that is. This is pretty lightweight, but wow, it is such a cool packaging. The color's gorgeous. Look at the color. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Let me get my mirror. For me, it's definitely an everyday color. I would find myself probably putting this in my purse and actually reaching for it every day. Oh, it has a magnetic closure. Oh, I like these. It looks like it's going to be super heavy, but actually just the base is a little heavy. This top part is not, so it's not like something that's going to weigh down your purse, but it is pretty big, so it's not going to be like really convenient to carry in your small bag. If you have a big bag like me, I use it for a diaper bag and a purse, then cool, we can definitely slip it in one of the pockets. This item here, the Murad Environmental Shield Essential Vitamin C Day Moisturizing Broad Spectrum SPF 30 is something that I chose with the selection this month. I'm really bad about putting SPF on my face, and especially in the summer, but really at any time throughout the year. It's not something that I'm like, oh, I need to like put some sunscreen on. I just don't do it. So when I saw this sunscreen available on my IPSY choice, I decided to definitely go for this item, even though I really wanted the brushes. So I'm glad that BoxyCharm gave me brushes. If you missed that video, check it out. So I got a really good box in there too. But I really wanted to get this moisturizer because I'm just like, if I have it, I'll probably be more prone to use it. And I know how important it is to use SPF all year long, not just in the summer, but I'm just really bad at it. Oh, and it smells really good. It smells like little tangerines. Really nice. So I will definitely use that, and it will make me feel like it's summer, even though it is so cold around my neck of the woods right now. This product right here values for $65, so this was a no-brainer for me to put in my box this month. I am so happy to have it. Oh, I did not tell you the value of this item is $26. Wow. Here is the bag that came with the IPSY this month. Not thrilled about this. I've seen much better bags. Especially last month, it was a really cool like marble, pink marble look. It was adorable. This month, it's just regular. I would definitely put it in my purse, but I'm not like, oh my god, this bag is so cute. It's not really that cute. So that's what I got this month. I'm really excited to have most all of these products. The only product I'm not like too stoked about is the eyeliner, just because it doesn't dry really quick. Let me add up the value of my items. It comes out to be $153, which is over the $120 guaranteed value for this box. If you guys are curious, I did check out online the weight of my box. My box was 1 pound, it said. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that for me. While you're there subscribing, click on that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload of mine. And until we meet again, you guys, ciao bella! Thank you.